Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rito here, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video, and welcome to the new subscribers. There are very few of you, but welcome still. So today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour. So we just moved to Copenhagen, I and my husband, and this is our first apartment here. This is empty and bare, which is like a normal thing apparently in this country, to move into a bare apartment. So we are going to have to furnish from scratch, but this is what the apartment looks like empty. I just wanted to kind of show you guys where we are starting from, because I intend to do like kind of take you along when I'm decorating each room and each space, and what we're putting, what we're not putting, from the bedroom to the sitting room and the kitchen and everything, what I'm changing, what I'm upgrading, so that the space kind of becomes our own. So before that happens, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what the empty space actually looks like. So if you want to see that, keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, please you know what, comment below, anybody who is watching who lives in Copenhagen, who has tips for where to get furnitures and stuff, and like decorating stuff, where to buy stuff, especially when they're not so expensive. And also just say hello. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. So this is how we are coming into our apartment. You get out of the elevator and boom, it's our door on one side of the floor. I think it's just the two of us. It's just two apartments on each floor, which is great. Now that's our intercom on the other side, and that's what the door looks like. Can we talk about how much I love the floors? But I'll tell you about it later. That's our intercom. I love that when someone is ringing, you can see who is coming into the house. That's our clock area. What is it called? Coat area or something. Denmark is a little bit cold, so I chilly most of the time. So I think it's good that we're always going to have a jacket just hanging on the side as you walk out of the room, and then shoes, and I'll just figure out what to do with the top. I don't want it to be so bare. I want it to look, cozy. When you walk in, on the right side is our bathroom. It's a very small one, but it does hold a lot of stuff. These cupboards have loads of storage room, and that is me looking all scruffy. I love the mirror because it's so wide and it kind of opens up the space. Right now, this is what it looks like. Honestly, we're just trying to get through this quarantine period, or before we are able to do anything to the house. This is the shower, such a small shower. We'll talk about it later. Honestly, finally have a dryer in the house. It's not something you see every day in Hungary. In Hungary you don't get dryers in the house, but that's really good, a drying machine. So we finally have that. That is amazing for me because it cuts my laundry time in half, literally, honestly. So this is our little laundry nook in the bathroom, and this is what the bathroom looks like. You come out and the door, and then you see the kitchen right as you walk into the apartment, our open kitchen, and we will get to that soon. But on the left side right now is the first bedroom in the house. This is the room that I think I'm going to turn into my husband's office, because he really, really does need an office space in the house. Even when he goes back to the office, I think that he will definitely need a workspace, because even on the weekends, he definitely has some work to do. So it will be nice for him to have his own space in the house where he can do that. But for now, it's just holding our boxes and everything. And then there's this little built-in wardrobe here that is good for storage. Actually, it's really, really good. It's been storing a lot of stuff for us. Into the kitchen again, and this is going to be our bedroom. It is on the quieter side of the apartment. That's why I chose it, and it doesn't have so much inside it. I really want the bedroom to just be a bedroom, so I chose this room for that. The floors, I love the shade of the floor. Now, one of my favorite thing about this room is that it leads right in out to the smaller balcony in the apartment. So after I'm done with this space, I feel like we have our little space to kind of spend time and just chill in the mornings or in the evenings before we go to bed. So it is perfect. And there's actually a lot of light coming into this space. Just, of course, I'm not catching that on camera, but yeah, there is a built-in wardrobe also on the side that kind of gives some storage space, so that's great. Now when you walk out, this is our living room space stroke our kitchen, but we're using it now as a bedroom because we don't have curtains up, and this is the one place where it is not too bright early in the morning. So somehow, I don't know, here is our kitchen with our trash on the floor. We're still trying to figure out how to sort out the trash because we really have to kind of put everything where it's supposed to be, and we're gonna sort that out this evening. But yeah, that's how we're living now, and that's what you're gonna see. My favorite part of this kitchen, aside from this loads of storage space, is the countertop. It's so gorgeous. I don't know how to explain the material that is used for, but it's so easy to wipe out, just like the walls, the paint that is used on the walls. The minute I'm cooking and something drops on the countertop or the wall and I wipe it out, it's gone. I'm back like it's new. Dishes all clean except the ones in the sink. I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, this is the side of the kitchen that has the fridge. So what you see now is actually our fridge, empty, and freezer down. Yeah, the down space is the freezer. And then yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm walking and I'm turning into the space where it's going to be like the sitting area or the living area. My husband is using that corner as his office for now because there are no chairs for him. These are our curtain rods that arrived from IKEA today. So the curtains will soon be up. We booked an appointment with a carpenter. That's a totally different story. I will tell you later. And what you can see through the glass is the other balcony, the bigger balcony. So you can see it's like twice the size of the one that I just showed you through our bedroom. I don't want to step out because I don't want my neighbors to think I'm filming them, but I'm just kind of showing you what it looks like from inside. It's quite wide, and I love sitting there because the sun, when we need the sun, that's the balcony to go to. When you need less sun, the other one is the one to go to. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You see the brick wall on the other building. This is exactly how our building looks, and I love that. So now we're going into the last bedroom of the house. We debated this space to be the bedroom, but it's not gonna be because it's kind of noisy on this side of our apartment. So yeah, this is basically going to be our dressing room. So we're going to turn it into a dressing room because it already has a built-in wardrobe, so we don't need to buy a wardrobe. We just need to have like a few more chest of drawers and just do a little more decoration, and it will be perfect for our dressing area. And I might actually film in this area too because of the really wide window on the other side that you saw. And then this section is just like where they hid all the things that like the meters and everything. So this is what it looks like. Loads of light actually coming from here too, and I think this is it. Actually, this is the whole apartment really. There is nothing more to it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you